My last video featured my updated Urban Altoids EDC kit version 4.0. In this version, in addition to past versions, I've been using tiny little magnets to help keep all of the items in place while it's in storage. Well, a common comment that I get in the comments section is that those tiny magnets are going to affect the data on my electronic devices, so the SD card and the USB flash drive. Well, for this video, I'm going to show that magnets have no effect on flash storage. We're going to use a couple 100-pound magnets to help show that. So let's get started with this video featuring magnets versus flash storage. So flash storage devices such as an SD card or a USB flash drive work completely different than a hard disk drive, for example, or even an old school floppy disk, which would be affected by magnets. So flash storage, just like computers, are made up of a bunch of ones and zeros, so binary. So it's stored in the form of charges in flash storage. More specifically, they're MOSFET transistors. There's a whole bunch of them. More specific than that, they're floating gate MOSFETs, or FGMOS. So you have basically a bunch of electrons that flow in between the gates to switch it on or off, so binary form. So it's completely insulated. The charge of electrons do not leak out of these gates even after multiple decades, so it's non-volatile memory. It'll last for a long time. So again, we're talking about tiny little electrons that move within a floating gate to turn it from an on or off position. I once read that it would take a magnet so strong to affect a flash storage device that it would remove all of the iron from your blood before it would remove the information on a flash storage device. So it would have to be that strong. Most people don't have a magnet that strong. So to test this theory out, I went to a local hardware store and picked up some strong magnets. These ones say that they have a max force of 100 pounds. So we're going to put one of them on the SD card. We're going to put the other one on the USB flash drive. I put a few files on these flash storage devices that we could use as a comparison using a file compare utility. So I put the MP4 file of the actual Urban Altoids EDC kit video that I made, in addition to the thumbnail, a PNG that I also have stored on here. So we'll use that for a comparison. Let's use that 100-pound magnet on the USB flash drive. So you can see it's pretty strong. Here's a weight. And let's use the other magnet on the SD card, sandwiched in between a 1-pound weight. Now we're just going to let them sit for a little bit. All right, so they've been sitting here for a few minutes. Now let's put them into an empty version of the Urban Altoids EDC kit and put both magnets on it. Here they go. Now let's make a magnet sandwich. Now let's see if our magnet sandwich had any effect of the files on the flash storage devices. To do this, I insert both of the flash storage devices to my laptop to see if the files are readable, starting off first with the SD card, followed by the USB flash drive. Both devices are recognized immediately by the laptop, and the files open up just fine. We'll start off first by looking through the files on the USB flash drive. As you can see, the PDF, the MP4 file, and the thumbnail all open up just fine on the USB flash drive after all of that magnet abuse. The files on the SD card also open just fine, both the video file, the thumbnail, and the PDF that I put on that particular micro SD card. The magnets had no effect. Next, I used the Windows File Compare command line tool to see if there are any differences between the source file and the file affected by the magnets. As you can see with the thumbnail, there are no differences found between the two files. The same thing happens with the large MP4 file as well. No differences. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video featuring magnets versus flash storage devices. As you can see, magnets have no effect of the data stored on flash storage devices because it doesn't work that way. So hopefully in future comments and in future videos that'll help answer the question for everyone on my Urban Altoids EDC kits, the tiny little magnets in there aren't going to affect the flash storage devices that are also stored in there. So please leave your comments below in the comment section regarding this video and stay tuned for more videos. See you guys next time.